The rest are memory items. All right, before I take the frictions off, warning lights are off, gauge is green, 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 and synced, plenty of fuel for 1.6 hours plus reserve. All switches are on, magnetos both, radios are set, transponders set, circuit breakers, did you push them all in obviously?
Yep.
Fuel selector, map light. Friction coming off. Landing light. Friction coming off. Friction coming off. And hydraulics are functioning. Hydraulics off. Hydraulics are not functioning. Hydraulics are restored. Running up.
The hydraulics are off, but you can still move it.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
That's what you want to make sure that you can still move it.
Trying to find a sweet spot here. It feels pretty good. There it goes. Governor's got it. Watching the governor. 100%. All right. Warning horn check. Rolling off the throttle. Pulling up. About 95, letting it recover. All right, secondary hydraulics, 1 inch back, 2 inches forward, 1 inch back.
Yep, just make sure it's rapid because that's what you're trying to lock up the hydraulics. There you go.
All right, that's complete.
Park Tower, this is 1318 Quebec, holding short on runway 33.
Current information is echo. Cameras on. No warning lights. Gauges are green.
Clear for takeoff. Make a left close traffic.
Car Pete's, let's give it a touch of Car Pete.
Park Tower, Skyhawk
On the top of the yellow.
7 Hotel, Rock Hall with echo.
All switches are on. Everything looks good.
Skyhawk 107 Hotel, Martin Tower, Roger. Make straight in approach runway 33 and report 4 mile final.
Report 4 mile. Make straight in 3307 Hotel.
You're just trying to get rid of that, right? Okay.
Ready for liftoff?
Yep.
Okay. All right, we're coming up slowly, credit card at a time.
Otherwise, as soon as you get in the air, the tower's going to yell at you that they can't see you.
With echo, here we go. Eyes are out. Clear right, clear left, clear above.
Dolly takeoff, so we want slow as possible takeoff we can do.
Yep.
Looking out in the distance so we don't start wagging our tail.
Yep. Eyes are out. 16. $17. $18. Little left pedal. Little aft.
Park Tower, 6050 Bravo, 4 mile final.
More left pedal. Eyes are out.
Number 5 Sierra Papa, Roger. Runway 33, cleared to land. Number 1.
Little left.
Runway 3350
Little
Bravo.
forward. Little washing machine in there.
Yep. Yep, you want to try to stay over that dolly, right? In case engine decides to quit, you're over the dolly. Not so fast, trying to get off of it. Tail's clear.
Tail's clear right.
Down
Park
to Mother
Tower,
Earth.
this is
Dolly is clear.
Midfield for the option.
Skyhawk 1 Quebec, Roger. Extend your downwind, I'll call your base turn.
From my downwind, you call my turn, call my base. 1 Quebec.
Martin Tower, helicopter 4181 X-ray.
On down a little more.
Helicopter 4181 X-ray, Martin Tower.
Helicopter 4181 X-ray has echo, would like the south pad for north departure.
Remember, we're
Helicopter 81 X-ray, roger. South pad, you're clear for takeoff, and proceed outbound via the post office, and I'll call your turn northbound.
Outbound via the post office, you'll call the turn. Cleared for takeoff, 4181 X-ray. Say again?
We're Middle River 1.
What did I say? Oh, okay.
It's 4181 X-ray. We're Middle River 1.
Warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 plenty of fuel. Carpet out of the yellow. Clear to the left. On the go. To the post office. Airspeed 40, making my turn.
I want to come back. Your base turn's approved. You're following a Skyhawk 1 mile final.
Don't
and
overfly the jet.
Skyhawk on a 4 mile final. Runway 33, clear for the option.
Starting base now, traffic in front of me is in sight. Landing traffic in sight. We're still looking for that trailing traffic, but we're base turn when it's ready.
Yep, you got about 2 miles ahead of 07 Hotel. He's on final.
All right, Martin Tower, that's 07 Hotel. We're inside 4 miles.
All right, 07 Hotel, roger. Your number 3, you're following a Skyhawk. He's rolling out about
500
a mile
feet.
ahead of you. We're runway 33, clear 2 lamp.
All right, number 3, clear 2 and 3307 Hotel.
So what's our cruise
traffic
power?
you're following will be at
Say again?
What's our cruise power?
Okay, thanks, 07 Hotel.
What's our cruise power today?
23.
Okay, so use that and just speed up.
Copter 81 X-ray. You can turn right and proceed on course. So outbound's approved if you need it.
4181 X-ray, clear to proceed north. At 500 feet.
Yep, he just approved you for 1,000 if you wanted it, so 23 inches, fast as you can go.
I don't see that grasshopper.
Hey, gone. Boy, gone.
Clear left, clear right. False area traffic, helicopter wide R44 turning right base, or right downwind, sorry. Runway 4 Falston. Pushing forward for 70. Warning lights off, there's 70, fixing the altitude. Warning lights off, gauge is green, 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 plenty of fuel. Carpet on. Synced. Alright, you're itching to touch something, I can tell.
Me?
Clear left, clear right.
Innocent me?
False air traffic, helicopter wide R44 turning right base, runway 4 Falston.
Turning right base. Turning right base.
I have a hydraulic failure, checking to see if the switch is on. If the switch is on, I'm turning it off. I'm going to do a running line.
Okie dokie.
False area traffic, helicopter wide R44, right base, runway 4 Falston.
Don't get too low.
Yeah, I'm pushing forward, sorry. It's hard with the, you know.
Skylane 10 north inbound 32, Eagle 10.
Alright, we're going to hold 800 feet and set up for a shallow approach.
I'm holding 800 feet. Kinda. Sorta.
Are you doing it to a running landing or are you doing it to a hover?
Running landing.
Okay.
False area traffic, helicopter white R44 turning final, runway 4 Falston. Alright, there we go.
Alright. I want to start.
Traffic, Cherokee 217 to Delta. 10 miles from the south, about to do touch and go.
No idea where you're going, buddy. Going to do a touch and go, but I don't know where.
At an airport, I assume.
Yeah, hopefully. I-95 would be nice if it's wide open. Horses are so used to it, they didn't even move, they didn't even look up.
Alright, and don't forget to push forward.
Yeah, but I want no bouncy bounces.
I'm lined up.
Okay.
I'm slowing down. That's about right there. Pushing forward.
Now just let her come down when she's ready.
Cushioning.
It's not something that you have to touch down in the numbers. Just let her touch when you're ready. There you go. Nice and soft. Slowly put the brakes on. Very nice.
Hydraulics on.
When you enter,
Warning lights off, gauges green, green, green. Plenty of fuel, carpet on.
when you enter, small check, small push to slow down that descent rate, and then you start counting. All right, come over here, we're a little too close. There we go. Now just hold that 1270. All right, stay straight with the runway. Don't let her climb. Hold that. 70. Looks good.
In 3, 2, 1. Down right aft.
All the way down. Now small check and small push right here. There you go. Now count.
3.
Let her settle.
Let her settle.
Let her settle. Turn. Turn tight. We're going to raise the collective just a hair. Keep turning tighter so you see your spot with your eyeballs.
I do.
Now start lowering the collective a little bit because you're going to trigger the horn. There you go. Don't let her speed up. Don't slow down. All right, a little flare, bigger flare, bigger. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Now level. See how we don't have a big run on?
Yep.
Now we're straight, right? And we're not coming down and we're not, look like we're taking off again, right?
Right.
So you can hold that flare until you think you can't hold it anymore. And level, you're either going to be stopped or very close to stopped, right?
Okay.
All right.
Martin Tower, Middle River 1.
Middle River 1, Martin Tower.
Middle River 1 with Foxtrot out of Falston for the south pad.
All right, Middle River 1, roger, report checkpoint 22.
Report 22, Middle River 1.
Yep, I want to start slowing down, dude.
Martin Tower, Middle River 1, approaching 22. Warning lights off.
Middle River 1, roger, traffic's a Skyhawk departing just past in the numbers. Report that Skyhawk in sight, and I have you pass behind him to the south pad.
Insight.
Traffic in sight, passing behind Middle River 1.
Middle River 1, roger, pass behind a departing Skyhawk and cross runway 33, south pad, you're clear to land.
Pass behind departing Skyhawk, clear to land runway at the south pad, Middle River 1.
Skyhawk 08 Charlie, your base turn's approved, runway 33, cleared for the option.
Base turn approved, clear for the option, runway 33, 08 Charlie.
Feet, 40 knots. Adding power, adding power, adding power. Adding power.
Diamond 2000 Sierra, number 2, follow Skyhawk. He's heading to your left on just approaching a 1 mile final. Report that Skyhawk in sight.
Number 2 behind the Skyhawk, 2 Delta Sierra. We're looking for him.
All right.
We got him.
All right, Diamond 2 Delta Sierra, roger, follow the Skyhawk. And number 2, runway 33, clear for the option.
Follow the yellow brick road.
Number 2, cleared for the option. 2 Delta Sierra.
Tail is clear right.
All right. Unicom 4181 X-ray.
I'll be right out.
Hey, we don't need fuel right away. We're going to practice some approaches here first. I just saw the fuel truck was waiting. I didn't want him to wait too long.
I'm just messing with you. I'm the tower. You're still on tower.
that was pretty good voice.
It works every time.
Unicom 4181 X-ray.
4181 X-ray going for Martin.
Hey, I see the fuel truck waiting for us, but we're not going to get fuel right away. We're going to be practicing some approaches here at the pad first.
Copy, I will advise.
All right.
All right, coming forward. Coming forward. Eyes are forward. Slanting down. Eyes are lined up.
Tower 0 Charlie, midfield option.
From a 0 Charlie, Roger. You can turn on normal base and continue. Traffic
get a little
departure
lower.
position will be rolling here momentarily.
There we go. Pushing forward.
Roger that, turn normal base.
Pushing forward.
0
Eyes are forward. Pushing forward.
Number 2 Charlie Alpha, that diamond's in a left crosswind. He'll be turning a left down in the pattern here. Runway 33, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 33, and we were left for 190. You want us way out?
Up to 2.
It still can be smooth, but slow.
Take care.
Right. Yeah, we'll do it on asphalt first.
See you next
Just
time.
not today.
All right, take care. See you soon.
All right, pushing forward. Pushing forward.
Well, they
slow.
say smooth is fast, fast is smooth, right?
Pushing forward. Pushing forward. Ooh, a little bit of a wobble there.
It might have been a gust of wind or something, who knows. Let her keep coming down.
There
It's
she
all
is.
about just coming down slow. There you go. Good. Perfect. All right. Good enough for me, unless you want to do a couple more.
No, I'm good.
All right.
Let me fix that. There we go. Throttle timer, lights, friction checklist. 65 knots.